Guys, I found something really special on the internet. I got these Cadbury cream eggs, but they're called Cadbury Scream eggs because they're for Halloween. Oh my goodness, I didn't even know this was a thing. I got two of them because I was super excited. I'm going to open this one up here. So we see it's called Cadbury Scream eggs. Again, the Halloween theme. And this cream egg, as opposed to the Easter one, the wrapping has some green in it, for slime and scary type of things. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Just going to unwrap it. Okay, so the egg itself on the outside, let's take off that piece, looks like the traditional Easter Cadbury cream egg. So let's see what it looks like on the inside. So I have my paring knife. I'm going to cut it on a diagonal so you can see a bit more. Okay, it's kind of broke a bit, but that's all right. And we can see that there is green inside this egg. Oh my goodness, imagine if you had a real egg and it was green instead of yellow. Luckily this is just candy, but you can see it's a kind of cool slime green kind of a color. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I'm going to give this piece a taste. And it tastes pretty much exactly like the regular Easter cream eggs. I am not the biggest fan of these, I'll be completely honest. But it does taste pretty good. Very sweet. So let me know what you think. Have you heard of these? Have you tried them? I want to know. Like, share, and subscribe.